Morning, Wednesday. Going stumping. I know I have a deep grind in Centennial. I have a couple blowovers in Lakewood and Golden. Should be an exciting day. I think it's going to stay sunny. I think it's going to be warm. So that's pretty awesome. I hope you guys are killing it. Let's go turn some stumps in the mulch. We'll see you in a bit. Yo, that's a big chicken. Little nugget. Look at that thing. This is one of the biggest spruce blowovers I've seen in Colorado. Dang. Let's make it small. That's a wrap. Look what showed up. Gen Y, the hitch company, ramps. So when I broke the Bandit ramp that I had to replace them, but I got a 6,000 pound set. So the Bandit will be fine, but I could also use it for the 852 if I need to. So pretty psyched on those. I'm off for 5 days. I'm really excited about that. I am wiped out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Have a good weekend. Memorial Day on Monday. Thank you. Man, that's a tough day. But thanks to everyone that made that sacrifice. You know, I know you're not watching, but it's not ignored in this house. So we'll see you guys on Tuesday. I think I'm going to Boulder, so it should be a pretty big day. Big cottonwood. I'll see you then. Have a good weekend. See you guys. Thank you.